Good morning students and welcome to the class. We are presently doing the chapter Major Landforms of the Earth in Geography. So all of you take out your geography book and open the chapter Major Landforms of the Earth. This is your chapter number 6. Okay. So under this chapter we have discussed that the surface of the land is not same. It is uneven. Sometimes we see there is a mountain on the surface of the earth. Sometimes we see there is a plateau on the surface of the earth. Sometimes we see there is plain on the surface of the earth. Then there are basins also on the surface of the earth. So surface of the earth is not same everywhere, and we find that there are some reason behind these different forms of surface. Okay, and in this regard we have discussed two factors. One was internal process and the second was external process. Because of these internal and external processes, what happens that the surface of the earth is not same. And in this chapter we are going to study about various forms of the surface of the land, which is called landforms. है ना, landforms जो different हैं उनके बारे में ही हम लोग पढ़ेंगे, है ना. तो first of all we have discussed the internal process. Internal process is those processes which are going on within the earth. Okay, the earth seems to be stable. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हम जिस surface पे खड़े हैं, जिस earth पे हम रहते हैं, that is stable. But actually this earth is not stable. It is moving all the time, and internally within the earth so many process is going on. Because of heat and temperature, continuous movement is taking place within the earth, and because of this movement within the earth, what happens that sometimes the surface of the earth is uplifted, उठ जाता है ऊपर, or sometimes it is it sink, नीचे की ओर चला जाता है. So this internal process is responsible for change in the surface of the land. Other than this internal process, external process is also responsible for change in the surface of the land, and these external processes is known as the process of erosion and deposition. Erosion means wearing down. Okay, erosion का मतलब हो रहा है कि कैसे wear down हो रहा है, and deposition का मतलब है जो चीज़ें wear down करके निकाली जा रही हैं, that is rebuild. उसको फिर से rebuild किया जा रहा है, कहीं पे वो deposit हो रहा है. एक जगह से wearing down होती है जिसको हम erosion कहते हैं, एंड दूसरी जगह पे वो deposit होती है जिसको हम rebuilding कहते हैं. So this process is also continuously going on, and the process is very slow. We are not aware of the process, but the process is always going on, and because of these processes of erosion and deposition, we find that there is a change in the landforms of the earth. Okay, and then now we will see the important landforms of the earth, and in this regard we have started our discussion regarding mountains. So we have discussed that the mountains are naturally elevated land, and in this regard we have also seen that there is difference between hill and mountain. Hill are smaller in height than the mountain. If a hill, in general, it is considered that if a hill, if the height of the hill is going beyond 600 meters, then it is called mountain, and the slope of the mountain should also be very steep. Okay, so for mountain there are two important things. First is height, and the second is slope. Okay, and we have seen that the mountains are such a figure that they have broader base. उनका base जो होता है वो broad होता है. They have broader base and they have a narrow summit. उनका जो summit होता है वो बिल्कुल ही छोटा सा summit होता है, small summit होता है. This is the structure of a mountain. Okay, and we see that some mountains are very high. They are even higher than the cloud. And we have also discussed that there are some mountains which are lying under the sea, जो sea के अंदर हैं, है ना? And this one such mountain is the name of this mountain is Mauna Kea, है ना? Maunakea, Mauna Kea. It's a mountain which is there under the sea, and this mountain is in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, and the height of this mountain is 10,205 meters. So we have discussed all these things, and we have seen that this Mauna Kea is higher than the height of the Mauna Kea is greater than the height of the Mount Everest. The height of the Mount Everest is 8,848 meters, and the height of Mauna Kea is 10,205 meters. So this is underwater. The complete mountain is not underwater. Some part is underwater, some part is above the water. And besides, we have also discussed that in a mountainous region, what happens that the population is not very high. Few people live in mountainous region, and there is some causes behind this. The first cause is harsh climate. The climate of the mountains are not very suitable. The climate is harsh because we have discussed this in the previous chapter कि जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर जाते हैं, as we go up, what happens that the temperature goes down, है ना? Temperature goes down with height. जैसे जैसे height बढ़ेगी, temperature जो है वो नीचे जाता जाएगा. So what happens that the mountains are colder. Mountains में बहुत ठंड होती है. That is why we are saying that the temperature and the climate is harsh. Okay, so the first reason is climate is harsh, and the second reason is why few people prefer to live in mountainous region. There is second reason, and this is the land of the mountain is not suitable for farming because it is slopey. So what happens that people are not able to do farming activities in the mountainous region. So these are the two main causes why less people live in mountains. Okay, we have discussed up to this, and now we will consider new things under the chapter. Okay, now we will see that mountains are sometimes mountains are arranged in a line, like एक लाइन में वो अरेंज होते हैं. जैसे सिंगल माउंटेन नहीं होता. इट्स नॉट कि बस ओनली वन माउंटेन इज देयर. देयर इज अ line of mountain, है ना? So this line of mountain is known as range. पूरी की पूरी range है. Okay, only one mountain is not there, but there is a line of mountain. कई सारी mountain एक साथ हैं. Okay, so what happens that many times many mountain systems consist of a series of parallel ranges. जैसे एक ये range हो, this range is there, and then another range is there. Another range is there. You can, these are, we can say it's not exactly parallel, but they are parallel ranges of mountain. Okay, so these are called mountain system, in which so many parallel ranges of mountain are there. Okay, and this mountain system extends over hundreds of kilometers. पूरा का पूरा एरिया hundreds of kilometers के एरिया में क्या होता है, माउंटेन के कई सारे पैरेलल रेंजेस होते हैं जिनको हम माउंटेन सिस्टम कहते हैं. ओके, तो हमने क्या देखा, पहले सिंगल माउंटेन होते हैं, फिर हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि देयर इज अ लाइन ऑफ माउंटेन. दिस लाइन ऑफ माउंटेन इज नोन एज range, and now we are saying that there are so many parallel ranges of mountains. These parallel ranges of mountains they extend over hundreds of kilometers, and this is called mountain system. Okay, now we will see that there are some important mountain ranges. The name of some important mountain ranges. The most important and most familiar important and most familiar mountain range is the Himalayas, जो कि हमारे ही इंडिया के नॉर्थ में है ना? So the Himalayas, the range of Himalayas is in which continent? It is in Asia. Okay, so the Himalayas is in Asia. Other than Himalayas, there are other mountain ranges also, like the Alps. You have read about the Alps in the previous chapter also, when we were discussing the continents. In that chapter we have seen the Alps is the most important mountain range of Europe. Okay, then there is one more mountain range, and that is Andes. Okay, this Andes is also an important mountain range, and it is in South America. This is important for you. Okay, you must remember the name of the mountain ranges and their continent, in which continent they are. Okay, the Himalayas is in Asia, the Alps in Europe, and the Andes in South America. Okay, and now we will see some other important things regarding the mountains, and this is the types of mountain. Mountains are of different types, and we will discuss the types. So there are three types of mountain. Okay, there are three types of mountain. First is fold mountain. Second is block mountain. And third is volcanic mountain. This is also important. You must remember there are 3 types of mountain, and this division of mountain is done on the basis of their प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग. जैसे बनते हैं ना, जिस तरीके से बनते हैं ये माउंटेन्स, उसके बेसिस पे ये डिवीज़न किया गया है. ओके, सो you don't have to do in very detail all these things, but still you must understand how fold mountain is formed, how block mountain is formed, and how volcanic mountain is formed. So first of all we will discuss the fold mountain. So first of all you must know that the earth has so many layers. These are different layers of the earth. Okay. Now what we find, what happens, as we have discussed, internal processes going on within the earth every time. It's always going on. Okay. So what happens that the layer of earth, it is getting pressure from both the sides, and this pressure is, when this pressure increases, what happens that because of this pressure the portion of the earth starts to मूव अपवर्ड. दोनों तरफ से क्या हो रहा है, ये ऐसे मूव करने लग रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ प्रेशर. ओके, एंड इट इज फॉर्मिंग लाइक दिस. ओके, सो इन दिस रिगार्ड यू हैव टू, नाउ द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ इज नॉट लाइक दिस. ये बिकॉज ऑफ प्रेशर, जो अर्थ का सरफेस है वो दोनों तरफ से प्रेशर पड़ रहा है, इसकी वजह से ये उठना शुरू हो गया. जैसे सिंपल सी चीज, अगर हम पेपर के कुछ ऐसी लेयर्स बना के उसको देखेंगे तो वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड हाउ इट हैपेंस. ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी सी दैट this earth, surface of the earth is starting to move upward because of pressure from both the sides, and with the passage of time, काफी टाइम लगता है. इट्स नॉट कि ये तुरंत में हो जाता है, धीरे 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 वी फाइंड दैट ये जो प्रेशर है ये बढ़ता जा रहा है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इंक्रीज्ड प्रेशर व्हाट इज हैपनिंग दैट द surface of the earth has elevated like this, and actually it has taken the form of a mountain. Okay, ये माउंटेन का फॉर्म जो है वो ले लेता है. ये प्रेशर जो है वो हमेशा बढ़ता जा रहा है अर्थ के सरफेस पे, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस प्रेशर द surface of the earth has elevated so high that now we can say it a mountain. These are different layers of the surface of the earth. Okay, so हमें ऊपर से क्या दिखता है, हमें सिर्फ ये दिखता है. We are not seeing the layers. Okay, so in this way this fold mountain is created. Okay, so you can understand how this fold mountain is created. Because of pressure the layers of the earth is getting elevated. दोनों तरफ से प्रेशर आ रही है, जिसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है, जो अर्थ का लेयर है वो एलिवेट होने लगता है, उठने लगता है ऊपर की तरफ. ओके, एंड नाउ व्हाट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू to understand that there are 2 types of fold mountain. One is old fold mountain and the second is young fold mountain. Okay, so this is important to understand, to remember the examples of old fold mountain and young fold mountain. Okay, so it can be said to be of two types. Old and young. And now you will have to remember the old fold mountain, examples of old fold mountain. In our country, India, there is one of the oldest fold mountain system is there, and that is in Aravalli. The Aravalli mountain range is one of the oldest fold mountain system in the whole world. This Aravalli mountain range is in Rajasthan. Okay, so Aravalli mountain range is one of the oldest mountain range in the world. And other than this Aravalli, which is in our country, there are other important old fold mountains also, and these are Appalachians. So I am writing down the examples of old fold mountains. The first is Aravalli, then we can say Appalachians. Okay, this Appalachian mountain range is in North America. Okay, so Aravalli is in Asia, Appalachians is in North America, and one more example is there, and that is Ural mountain, about which you have studied in previous chapter. Ural mountain is in Russia. Okay, Ural, it's in Russia. So these are the examples of old fold mountains जो बहुत पुराने हैं, है ना? And you must remember, you must understand that these old fold mountains are external forces, external processes is going on upon these fold mountains, and because they are very old, so because of this what happened that these Aravalli, Appalachians or Ural mountain, they don't have this steep summit. It has been rounded. Why it has been rounded? Because of erosion process which is going on by the wind, है ना? जो wind है उसका जो erosion का process है वो तो हमेशा से चल रहा है, and these are very very old mountain, है ना? बहुत समय से ये हैं अर्थ पे. तो क्या हो रहा है कि इनका जो विंड जो है वो इरोजन का प्रोसेस काफ़ी कंटिन्यूस काफ़ी दिनों से चल रहा है. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इरोजन प्रोसेस व्हाट हैज हैपेंड दैट दे हैव राउंडेड फिगर, दे हैव बिकम लाइक दिस. जो स्टीप होता है ना, ये स्टीपनेस इनकी ख़त्म हो गई है बिकॉज ऑफ इरोजन. ओके, एंड नाउ वी विल सी सम एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ यंग फोल्ड माउंटेन्स. Instead of old fold mountains, we will see now the examples of young fold mountains. Young means वैसे fold mountains जो बहुत पुराने नहीं हैं, है ना? वो young है, वो अभी कुछ सालों पहले उनका formation हुआ है. And in geography, you must understand young का मतलब ये नहीं कि 10 साल, 20 साल, 25 साल या 100 साल. इट इज़ ऑल्सो अबाउट 1000 ऑफ ईयर्स अगो, है ना। तो यंग फोल्ड माउंटेन्स में एक एग्जाम्पल में हमारा जो हिमालयाज है, दैट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ यंग फोल्ड माउंटेन्स. Other than Himalayas, there are other young fold mountains also, like Alps. Alps is also young fold, an example of young fold mountain. Okay, and as they are young, ठीक है. अभी मैंने बताया ना कि जो ओल्ड फोल्ड माउंटेन्स है उनमें क्या हो रहा है कि जो एक्सटर्नल प्रोसेस है वो बहुत दिनों से उस प्रोसेस को झेल रहे हैं. दे आर अंडर द एक्सटर्नल प्रोसेस फॉर सो मेनी लॉन्ग टाइम. तो क्या हुआ है, वो बहुत स्टीप नहीं रह गए, उनका जो फिगर है वो राउंडेड हो गया है. एंड व्हाट अबाउट दीज यंग फोल्ड माउंटेन्स? इन दीज यंग फोल्ड माउंटेन्स व्हाट हैपेंस दैट दिस एक्सटर्नल प्रोसेस इज नॉट गोइंग ऑन फॉर वेरी 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 लॉन्ग टाइम. क्योंकि ये यंग है तो जो एक्सटर्नल प्रोसेस है वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा उनके साथ काम नहीं किया है. So because of this what happens that these young fold mountains has high conical peak. इनका जो peak होता है वो बिल्कुल conical होता है ना. अभी जैसे मैंने बताया उनका rounded हो गया है, but young fold mountains जो होते हैं उनका जो peak होता है वो बिल्कुल ही conical होता है. और इनका जो ये slope है that is also very steep. अब जब हजारों लाखों साल बाद जब ये यंग फोल्ड माउंटेन जिनको अभी हम कह रहे हैं दे विल बिकम ओल्ड फोल्ड माउंटेन, है ना. और तब क्या होगा, तब इनका भी जो एक्सटर्नल प्रोसेस इन पे भी काम करेगा ऐसे ही इस हजारों लाखों साल में. और तब क्या होगा, इनका फॉर्म चेंज हो जाएगा एंड दे विल बिकम लाइक दिस. बट अभी ये ऐसे हैं और जो ओल्ड फोल्ड माउंटेन्स हैं वो अभी ऐसे हैं. क्लियर है. तो अब हम लोग इसके बाद दूसरा नेक्स्ट करेंगे, दैट इज ब्लॉक माउंटेन. सो देर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ माउंटेन्स, फोल्ड माउंटेन, ब्लॉक माउंटेन, वोल्केनिक माउंटेन. एंड अंडर दिस फोल्ड माउंटेन देर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ फोल्ड माउंटेन, young fold mountain and old fold mountain. Okay, and now we will discuss block mountain. Block mountain. This mountain is also formed because of internal process, which is going on within the earth. Okay, and in this we will see that the earth is always in surface of the earth is always in the forms of layer. Okay, layers होते हैं, different layers are there, as we have seen in the fold mountain. ओके, और अब इसमें हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि these different layers are there and we see that because of pressure, it is also only because of pressure what happens that some areas are broken. Suppose यहाँ से ये break हो जाता है, okay, because of pressure some areas are broken and आफ्टर गेटिंग ब्रोकन ये क्या होता है, ये नीचे चला जाता है. और ये जब ये नीचे चला जाएगा तो ये ऑब्वियसली मुझे हमें ऊपर दिखेगा, है ना. इट्स नॉट कि ये ऊपर आ गया, ये जो प्रेशर पड़ रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ दैट प्रेशर, इंटरनल प्रोसेस के कारण जो प्रेशर आ रहा है उस प्रेशर के कारण ये ब्रेक करता है लार्ज एरिया. इट्स नॉट अ स्मॉल एरिया, बहुत बड़ा एरिया जो है उसमें ऐसे ब्रेक हो जाता है, टूट जाता है और टूट के वो थोड़ा सा नीचे चला जाता है. एंड दिस इज गोइंग डाउन. तब हमें क्या लगता है कि ये ऊपर है, ये पोर्शन ऊपर हो गया और ये पोर्शन नीचे हो गया. ठीक है. सो दिस इज वर्टिकल डिस्प्लेसमेंट. वर्टिकली डिस्प्लेस हो जाता है और इसी वजह से बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वर्टिकल डिस्प्लेसमेंट विच इज़ कॉज बिकॉज ऑफ प्रेशर, तो दिस वर्टिकल डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द surface of the earth is the cause of the formation of block mountains. We will continue our discussion regarding these block mountain and many other things in the next class.